affecting. They said that 68.7% people said the flood is the only thing by which they are migrating. The main factor of migrations has also there defined that the flood is the only reason. 84.44 degrees centigrade percent people said that the migration is the only vulnerable thing for them. Flood destroyed primary schools. When they were asked, is the flood is destroying your primary schools, their parents and the response of the teachers said that 80% they said that the flood is really affecting the buildings of the regions or in Smarro. The main factor disturbing primary education, the fear to flood. When they were asked to them, is the flood that the student is really couldn't go to school or they are not going. The reason they said that the students are, their peoples are feeling fear that they don't want to go to school because of flood. 91.3% people said they are feel fear. The vulnerable flood year, the most disaster year in the regions were 2011. Most of the people said in 2011 there was very destructive flood. Mostly 46% people said that was very dangerous, while 22 was also dangerous in the region. 34% people said. The lowest score is obtained from the USGS, United States Geological Survey website to draw the map of the study area and flooded area. And SURVEY was used to draw the thematic map and distribution of the schools by showing its thematic maps. And SPSS software was used, and the pupils enrollment, primary schools infrastructure from SIN Education and Literacy departments, the data was collected from there. The primary data was collected through the questionnaire surveys, while the secondary data is collected. Landsat data is obtained from the USGS. The data collection areas, these are the map. This is the study area collection map, and these were the field work during the data was collected. The results is showing that first the data is collected from the Meteorological Department of Karachi. This is showing the annual temperature of Chor or Smarro from 1990 to 2022. Here we can say from the data from 1990 the temperature was 35 degrees centigrade, and in 1939 it raised to 35.8 degrees centigrade. It means temperature is increased there. And while in the after 3 years it downfall because of their facility were destroyed, they couldn't reach their schools easily. There was some destruction, therefore they couldn't go to their schools. It is a very huge ratio. 28.8% students couldn't attend the schools because of the surrounded by the flood water. It means many schools were underwater. Therefore, 28.8 students couldn't go to school. It means the pupils of the primary. And 66.2% children dropped out due to flood. This is also a large amount of ratio. 66.2% students dropped due to the flood. Physical features and topography of the study area. Amarkot has special regions. One is the desert, and others is an irrigated region. Desert areas cultivation depend on the rainwater, while the floodation get water from the Sakhar Barrage, Indus, and other tributaries derived from the main canals. Eastern side has a big desert which is spread at the Punjab's boundary in India. Desert is consists of the sand dunes and the spiky bushes having less leaves. It has height up to the 46 meters. It has the shortage of potable water. There is also high salinity in the subsoil of the desert region. These are the rivers which flows from the Amarkot regions, and the other climate of the Amarkot region is very extreme and to moderate. The irrigated western portion is temperate and summer and winter, whereas the eastern desert area is slightly hot or cold in the winter and the respectively. The geographical location of the study area is 24 degree to 50 mean to 25 degree to 28 mean to north latitude, and 69 degree to 40 to mean to 69 degree 35 mean east latitude. The area of Samaru is 959 square kilometer. In 1901, the census of the population was 24,038. The population of Samaru is 1,70,216 census. Sorry, per day there might be per year. Pakistan is the most vulnerable flooded country in the world since last 6 to 7 years. In Pakistan, trend ranges floods has it from 1973 to 2010. In 2010, 11,906 million students have been affected. Schools used their shelter, while schools used their shelter in Sindh were 2,674 and while damaged 9,232 schools in Sindh, whereas in Balochistan used are damaged 296 7 and Punjab 115 damaged schools in the Pakistan. During 2010 flood, 10,348 education institutions were destroyed and 9,368 were primary schools, and that constitute for about 5.6% education facilities were affected in the Pakistan. This is the background of the study. Background of study is showing that the flood intensity and frequency poses a threat to community, infrastructure and affects the total well-being of the Pakistan as well as the world, and also for the children. The continuity of flood is devastating to the food, health. About 30 to 50% deaths are caused by natural disaster over the globe or in the world. In Myanmar, 2008 cyclone Nargis collapsed 2,250 schools completely destroyed, while 750 schools were severely damaged. More than 65% of the world's, and further, we are describing monsoon is a special source of heavy rainfall according to the memo, and the monsoon approaches in Pakistan from July to September. There are two monsoon system operates in South Asia. Southwest or summer monsoon. These monsoons brings moist and winds, heavy rainfall in South Asia. 70 to 80% rainfall lashes over South Asia from June. Floods occurs where the topographical, climatic and anthropogenic activities. These are the types of floods. Generally, these are described. There are two types of floods or by its origins. Riverine floods are fluvial floods. Coastal floods are tidal flood. Inland flood are fluvial. Present my presentation on the topic impact of floods on primary school going pupils in Talka Samaru district, Kamarpur. These are the contents which I am going to present. First of all, introduction to be given, and then background of the study,